guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Dollar General cashback offers. And boy, do we have a lot to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, if you have opened up your Dollar General app over the last couple of days, you might have noticed some changes. So, Dollar General finally got their cashback offers up on the app. Here's what it says about it. We have new cashback offers, clip your offers, buy the items, and earn cash back. You can find your DG Cash in your wallet in the app. So click on the wallet. It'll be right up there, first thing at the top. You can click on that and then you can spend that DG Cash in store. Now they have also moved the coupons and as well as the cashback offers. So both of those are in one spot under the list section. So you have to click on the list, and then up there at the top you can choose from your list or your saved offers. So you're going to have to click on saved offers or saved deals, whichever one it says, and that is going to pull up all of your saved coupons and your saved cashback offers. All right, now to the next screen, it says how to use cashback. So discover cashback offers in the deals section of the app, add the cashback offer to your account, and find your saved deals in your list. Enter your phone number at the register to earn cash back during checkout. Earned cash will show up in your digital wallet after 24 to 48 hours. I do want to stop right here and say that I believe as far as this 24 to 48 hour period goes, I think they're just saying that to cover their butts for now, because I did run out to Dollar General yesterday evening. It was probably around 6 o'clock and I received my cash back. It was on there first thing this morning. So you do not have to wait the entire 24-hour period as of right now. Like I said, I think they're just saying that to cover their butts, just in case something goes weird with the system. It can take up to 2 days before you get your cash back. All right, and number 5 says redeem your earned cash in store by scanning the code in your wallet. You can tell the cashier the amount that you want to use, so that is a good thing. So if you have $50 in Dollar General cash on your app and you only want to spend $10 on the transaction, what you would do is pull up your wallet, click on the DG Cash. It's going to pull up a barcode on your phone. You would show the cashier, they have to scan that, and then you would tell them the amount that you want to use. They'll have to put that in at the register. All right, so you wouldn't have to spend the full $50 all in one day. All right, and the last little pop-up message that Dollar General has given us, it says, just a heads up, digital coupons and cashback offers cannot be applied to the same item at the same time. If you are purchasing an item that is eligible for a digital coupon and a cashback offer, the digital coupon will be applied to the price of that item. In this case, you would not earn cash back. All right, now we already knew that this rule was kind of coming down the line with all the changes that they are making over at Ibotta. Here in just a minute, we're going to take a look at a few of the offers. I'm going to talk about, my thoughts on everything that's going on, some things that you guys need to be aware of. And I also want you guys to make sure that y'all stay tuned, because I have a part 2 to this video. I'm going to be making that video live about 15 to 20 minutes after this part 1 goes live. So make sure that you jump back on my YouTube channel, watch part 2, because we all know that Dollar General and technology, those two do not go hand in hand. And as much as Dollar General tries to be tech savvy, they're not very good at it. Let's not tell them that, but they're just not. All right, so make sure that y'all stick around for part 2, because I have some really good news for you. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at a few of the offers that are out there. Right here, we have the Finish Powerball dishwasher tablets for $5. This is the 18 count. Now, one thing that I do like with these cashback offers is that if you click on them, they will pull up some of the eligible products. So that's a good thing. Dollar General did eliminate some of the guesswork for us. And also, once you click on that offer and you click on the product, if any digital coupons also apply to that product, all of those will show up underneath the product. So I do like that, because, sometimes we have higher value coupons, sometimes we have lower value coupons. And as you all can see right here, that DG cashback offer is the lowest value. Now, as you guys know, once we get up to the register, we can't choose which coupons we want to use. So we can't tell them, oh, I don't want to use the 1 off one, I want to use the 150 off one instead. They can't do that at the register. So it's kind of a good thing, I feel like, if the digital coupon is applied first before the cashback offer. I think that was a good call on Dollar General's part. Now, here's another example. We have the all free and clear laundry detergent priced at $5. We have a 150 off one digital coupon. We also have a $1 rebate as well as a 75-cent rebate. So you're really going to have to be careful about what you clip to your account because, like I said, we always want that higher value. So in this case, I would choose to clip the 1 off one rebate instead of the 75-cent rebate. Now, can DG make mistakes? Yes. Can things happen in their system? Yes. Can glitches happen that we cannot control? Yes. And we love all of those things because typically we get really good deals when those things happen, right? So hint, hint, stick around for part 2. As far as this video goes, I just wanted to talk about how this program is supposed to work and a few things that you guys need to be on the lookout for. So again, be careful when you are clipping offers and coupons to your account. We always want to choose that higher value. And that's going to bring me to my next point, which is on the Ibotta app, we are going to have a lot of the same offers. So right here it is, 75 cents back on the all free and clear laundry detergent. This offer cannot be combined with coupons, must be added to your list to get cash back. So these are basically identical offers. Now we're going to take a look at another deal. This is very similar. We have the same DG cashback offer on the DG app as we do on the Ibotta app. Now, this comes with some pros and cons. So the pro is that we can do this offer multiple times. We can do this deal on the DG app, and then we can also turn around and do this deal on the Ibotta app. Now, the con to this is that a lot of people enjoy using the Ibotta app for rebates simply because when we get our rebate money back, we can use that anywhere. We can send it to our bank account, we can send it to PayPal, we can get gift cards at tons of different stores. Whereas if we do this rebate on the DG app, that money is simply just going to go right back into Dollar General. We do not have any options to withdraw that cash. So y'all keep that in mind. Now here's another thing. Sometimes on the Ibotta rebate app, we have higher value rebates than they're offering us with our DG cashback. So for instance, right now we have this 50-cent cashback offer on the Dollar General app. On Ibotta, we have a 75-cent rebate. So that's another area where we're going to have to be careful if we want to save the maximum amount of money. Now, some people might say that's just a 25-cent difference. That's not really a big deal. True, I'll give you that. But on some of these offers, there is a huge difference. For instance, like this one right here, we have $1.50 back. On Ibotta, the rebate is for $3 back. Now, this is going to roll me right into my next point, which is also on Ibotta. Some of these offers do not have that detail, the fine print, where it says that it cannot be combined with coupons. Now, I know with Ibotta, they are still making changes. It seems like every single day we have a new update on the Ibotta app. And ultimately, I think their end goal is to make it to where couponers cannot stack coupons and rebates on the same item, which to me makes 0 sense. Because for me, it just feels like they are complicating the situation beyond belief. So there are 10 times more rules that we have to remember for each store. Each store is different now on Ibotta. I don't even think Ibotta knows the rules that they're trying to follow now, because if you do contact customer service, you're going to get back 10 different answers. So it's just craziness over there. But I'm not going to go through my entire Ibotta rant today. That's not what this video is about. The main thing that I want you all to take away from this video is to just be vigilant about what you're clipping to your account. Don't just go through there and clip every single offer. That's kind of why we go through on Sunday and clip our coupons and tell you all, give you guys a heads up if there's lower value coupons, higher value coupons, all of those good things. That way you can save the maximum amount of money. And of course, I'm going to be watching the entire situation very closely, so if anything pops up, you guys will be the first to know. know. And if you guys notice anything, if you see anything weird going on with the Dollar General app, if you notice any deals, any questions that you have, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is in the description box as well as the pinned comment under every video. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around for part 2 because that video is going live right after this one. So stick around for that. You're not going to want to miss out on those deals. And before you go, make sure that you do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.